Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add realistic objects to your photo using AI. No complicated tools, no advanced editing skills, just a simple method that anyone can do. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini like this. If you haven't already, just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just go to tools icon, this one, just tap on it, and then just tap on create images, this one. This feature is powered by Nano. This is where all the AI magic happens. And now just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on the plus button and then upload files. Like this. Next, we need to write a clear prompt. The more specific you are, the better the result. For example, I will type a prompt like this. The AI will add the objects directly into your photo, and the result will look like it was always part of the original picture. Sharp, realistic, and perfectly plain like this. You can see the difference with the original photos like this. And then if you are not satisfied, you can tweak the prompt, regenerate, or try adding different objects. It's really up to your creativity. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? With Gemini and Nano, you can add realistic objects to any photo in just minutes. No photoshops, no editing skills, just AI doing all the hard work for you. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.